everyone, it's Regina from Pampered Soaps. We are going to take you on a little tour of our new storefront. We just signed the lease on today. Right now the sign says Sun Care Medical Supplies. We're going to of course take that down and change it, but we're going to show you what it looks like now, and then you will see what it looks like when we're done. This is our front area. We're going to put our checkout counter right here. And then probably, of course, some more decorations and stuff over here. I will definitely make it pretty. On this side, we'll put some shelving and more of our candles and other body care products. We're going to redo the drop ceiling here, make it a little bit nicer. This will be strictly the retail portion of the store. So we're actually going to separate it. We're going to put a wall right here with a door to separate the retail from the production side. Over here, we have a small office. So this is actually going to be more of a curing room for us. And we probably will make enough space to shoot our YouTube videos from here. So very small space, but that's what we're going to use this for. Okay. This will be our production room, so this is where all the magic will happen. We'll do all of the creations here. We have a cabinet on this side that we'll probably do something with. We're not too sure right now because it's made into the wall, but we're going to do something to make it better. We may either replace the sink or see if we can bring that one back to life. It looks like it's a salon sink, so we're not sure what we're going to do with that yet, but we will definitely bring you guys back and show you what we decide to do. This will be office area here for me. So this is where all the desk equipment, computer, and all of that fun stuff will go. It's a small area, but it's just what we need, I think, for this. This is the back room area. So this will be, of course, for storage. Any product that we have already made, all of that will be here. So we'll probably put some shelving up, paint this area as well. And then we just have our bathroom area. Nothing fancy here. My wonderful husband, who's holding the camera, we're gonna do the tiles. He's gonna do the tile floors for us. So right now the floors look horrible. I absolutely hate them. So we are gonna do that today. That's the task for today. We're gonna redo the tiles. And we'll come back and let you guys know. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done with the tile. But you will get to see our process all the way through. So this is the starting point. So we'll come back in a week or so and show you what it looks like after. Stay tuned, guys. Be blessed.